Don't miss the rapture. There are things that must happen before the rapture can happen. One of those things are, this gospel of our Lord Jesus Christ must be preached to all nations as a witness. We are completing that this year. Then the countdown begins. So all our effort should be in to complete that thing. What can make you miss the rapture? Carnality, living by the flesh. If you live for God, there's no ways you can miss the rapture. Live every day as a ready person. Keep your focus on Him. Get ready for first flight. The end is nigh.